Today I'm going to show you how to remove this sticky glue that was left with the tint.
There are so many ways out there to remove the glue. I mean, whichever way you prefer. I have looked through, matter of fact, I tried actually, and I find this method to be the best method is to use the steamer. Of course, if you don't have a steamer, you could try the soap and water, but I gotta tell you, the soap water and water works if the glue is not very hard. If your tint was there for many years, soap and water is going to be very difficult. Some going to come out, some won't. You might have to use special chemical, and again, that'll be messy. You're going to have to put a plastic cover to cover the door of the car, and even then, you're still not going to get what you want. So I think the best method for any tint glue, whether they're new or old, is to use a steamer. The steamer, what it does is it softens the glue and you could scrape it. What I would use next time is a scraper with a handle. Right now I'm using blade and it's very difficult. You get pain on your knuckles and stuff like that with the blade. It takes time. It took me about, I would say, 30 to 40 minutes to get this job done, even though the video is only 2 minutes long, but the process is long. So steamer, look, I didn't put any plastic, nothing like that. Only thing I had on my door is some water residue, which I was able to clean. So I tried with the soap and water method that most people show online. That doesn't really work, and then I had to use this steamer method, and that works. Some people I saw use some chemical. They use fuel injector cleaner, for example, and they wipe it down, and they say it works for them. I'm glad if it did work, but believe me, it did not work for me. I find removing the old glue with the steamer works best. You got less problem, less hassle, less mess. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.